Meaning of Greater London.
Greater London.
Greater London.
Greater London.
Greater London. Greater London is a region in southeast England that encompasses the City of London and 32 surrounding boroughs. It is the largest urban area in the United Kingdom, with a population of over 8 million. The term Greater London was first used in 1965 when the administrative boundaries of London were expanded to include these surrounding areas. This region serves as a major international hub for business, finance, culture, and tourism. It is also home to numerous historical landmarks, such as the Tower of London, Buckingham Palace, and Westminster Abbey.